Cape York venture begins. We're just heading north out of Townsville now. Unfortunately it's a little bit bleak and miserable, so pray for some sunshine and we'll check back in later. Hey guys, so we've just spent our first night camping at Butterfly Valley, just south of Cardwell. We had this lovely campsite by the river, so I'll take you for a quick look. So this is a little creek running behind the campsite. Hey guys, we're just on the Daintree ferry crossing the river now. We'll see what you can see out the front. Night 2. We spent the night at Noah's Beach Campground in the Daintree National Park, and we'll show you a look at our camp. And then I'll take you down for a look at the beach. Alright, so we're going to continue making our way north today, firstly through Cape Tribulation and then up the Bloomfield track, which is very steep, and given that it's been quite wet lately, it might be a little bit interesting. And then on to Cooktown, and we'll see where we end up after that. So we're just about to cross Imogen Creek. Here we go. Alright, now we're heading up the Donovan Range, and it's pretty steep, so we'll just take our time. On our way now to Bloomfield Falls. They've had a fair bit of rain the last few days, so it should be flowing.